Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Tom. Today I'm going to be going through the challenge solution walkthrough for Ottergram-002 on Bugforge. This was a pretty fun lab. It's a broken access control lab, so I'll walk through um, some of the unique functionality in this iteration of Ottergram. So as always, we have our cute otters here. Um, so I've already gone ahead and gotten an account registered as a normal user. And then for this particular lab, I'm also going to log in as an admin user. And for any uh, Bugforge lab, if there's an admin account enabled, the credentials are going to be admin and admin123. So get logged in with that, and you can see down here I've got an additional little admin settings icon in the little wrench there. So I'll go back over to my normal user and looking around the functionality of the app. We can we can comment, cute otter. But what's really interesting is we've got this flag here so we can report this post. Okay, and if we go over to our proxy, so this is the request. Inappropriate content is the default reason. So it's making a post request to this API/post/one/flag. So this is the post ID, and we get back the message post flag successfully. Well, now if we come back over to our browser and we look at our admin uh, settings here, we can see that the post that we just flagged shows up in the admin panel under flagged posts, and it shows the reason here, inappropriate content. And we have the option to either mark as okay or to delete the post. Well, in this case, I'm going to delete the post and get post deleted successfully, and I'm going to come back over and look and see what that looks like in my proxy. So I'm making a delete request to API admin post 1. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and send that over to my replay tab. I'll just stay there, come back over here. And what I want to see is I want to see if that functionality is limited to an admin user or if my low privileged user could also potentially delete a post um, that has been flagged. So let me come down here. Let me refresh the page, first of all. So I've got this next post here. I'm going to report that post, come back over to my proxy, and figure out what the post ID for this one is. It looks like it's ID number 2. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy my token out of here. I'm going to go over to my replay tab, back to the delete post from when I deleted the post as the admin. I'm going to change the post ID to 2. And then I'm just going to replace the admin token with my user's token, send it, and we get the message post deleted successfully, and we get the flag. So this is an example of a missing functional level authorization control. So there's a couple of different issues kind of underneath broken access control. One is your broken object level authorization, which is typically something when you're able to see something that you shouldn't be able to see, whether it's something that belongs to another user, something that belongs to the admin. Um, in this case, we're looking at a missing functional level authorization control, which is uh, being able to do something that we shouldn't be allowed to do. So in this case, uh, the admin functionality is to be able to essentially moderate the posts that have been flagged. You can either say it's okay or you can delete it. Um, but in this case, there's not a check to ensure that it's actually an admin that's performing the actions. So we, as a low privileged user, are also able to perform those actions and can potentially um, delete other users' posts. So a real world example may be, um, we go ahead and we flag the post and then immediately just delete it so that uh, it's just gone, and we're able to do that before it even gets to an admin. So causing a pretty significant issue for the site. If people think that their posts are just going to get deleted by any arbitrary user, they're probably not going to want to use the site. So that's obviously bad for the platform. Um, but yeah, I thought this was a pretty fun lab. I enjoyed it, and um, I hope you did as well. And that's it for this video. Take care. See you next time.